Here's how to find and delete all Facebook tags. Go ahead and open your Facebook app and now tap on your profile photo and tap on settings. Once you are in settings and privacy, here scroll down. Under your activity, tap on activity log. And here tap on your Facebook activity. Scroll down and here you will find activity you are tagged in. Tap on manage tags. And here tap on filters and tap on categories. And here we can see posts and comments you are tagged in and photos and videos you are tagged in. So to delete all posts and comments you are tagged in, select post and comments, or you can just select photos and videos. And to delete all comments including post comment, photos and videos, select all. And here you will find all tagged, as you can see. Now to delete all of them at once, tap on all. And all of your tagged and mentions will be selected just like so. Now all you have to need, tap on remove tags and tap on remove tags, and all of your tagged, comment, post, videos will be deleted.